Milner. Puts it. Alonso. Just gets it beyond the dark. Liverpool penalty. Fabinho. Out of it. Here goes Lukaku. A little shimmy and the job. Van Dijk. He went. Again a little. Alexander-Arnold again. To our cameras. Here goes Salah with the same technique. That out. And he's Kelleher. Here goes Divock Origi, and it's not Chelsea's 7th penalty. Here he goes. Timo Werner here. Back to a save. Absolutely crucial moment. Elliott. Here he goes. Thiago Silva, the veteran. Marisa Balaga went the right way. And Chalobah makes it. Being Kelleher. Keeper against keeper. Oh! Chelsea have blown it.